Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 12 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. So we tried our best to give you the most probable solutions, guys. So if there are any solutions to be made, then I will definitely update that in the comment section if it comes to my notice. If you feel there should be any changes, please give your opinion positively in the comment section. So let's see the first question, guys. So if you got helpful with our channel, please subscribe our channel forever, guys, and please like this video and please share this with your friends and classmates. So please watch the video till the end without skipping, guys. First question: which of the following is not a factor considered in Google's current search algorithms? So for first question, I think the probable answer is fourth option, guys, none of the above. And next, second question: in a weighted social network graph, what might the edge weights represents? For second question, the probable solution is fourth option, all of the above. That means the time of interaction between users, the strength of a relationship, the number of shared interests. Next, third question: what is the purpose of a random walk in graph analysis? So for third question, it should be second option, guys, to explore the entire graph and discover its properties. Next, fourth question: which of the following are real world applications of directed graphs? So for fourth question, I have got three probable solutions, guys. The first one is first option, social media friendship graph, and next linking of websites, and next airline route representation. So first, third and fourth options are the probable solutions for fourth question. Next, fifth one. So before getting into this fifth question, I want to make a small announcement, guys. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So for the course Joy of Computing using Python, we have collected the previous year's questions, guys, with 5 years of NPTEL experience. So in this pack, you will get a PDF access Google Drive restricted link, guys. So here you are getting 125 MCQs and the price is 250 rupees, guys. So the validity will be till the exam day, and even if you want to extend that, you can get it for till the results day, guys. So for one person it will be 250 rupees, guys. So if you are 2 to 5 persons combinedly, you can take it for 500 rupees, guys. 500 rupees. If you are one person, it will be 250 rupees, guys. So 125 MCQs you are going to get, guys, in for this 250 rupees pack. So it is only for one person access. If you are 2 to 5 persons, if you take it combinedly, it will be just 500 rupees for the group, guys. And the topic coverage is also high. Search option is also given, guys. It is also easy to revise. So if you want to purchase, then mail me to this email ID, guys, bk179417@gmail.com. You have to mail me to this email ID if you want to confirm to make purchase, then only mail me, guys. So this is the email ID. So this is the 250 rupees is the price. 125 MCQs will be provided, guys. It's a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So for one person access, it will be 250 rupees, guys. So now let's get back to the solution. So please discuss with your friends. If you are 2 to 5 persons, take it as a group. Combined it will be 500 rupees, guys. So now let's get back to the solutions. Fifth question: read the given code. Enter the number of elements in incoming edges D. So this is the variable, right? Incoming edges D. So it will display incoming edges. So when I did this in my compiler, so I have observed that the answer for this fifth question is 2, guys. should be 2. So please type that 2 in that box, dialog box, in that field, right? Now moving on to the sixth question now. Sixth one, which of the following statements about page rank is true? So the answer, probable solution for sixth question is fourth option, none of the above, guys. I have got none of the above as the probable solution for sixth question, probable option. Next, seventh question. Seventh one, in the collage sequence, if a starting value is a power of 2, how many iterations are needed to reach the cycle 4 to 1? So for the seventh question, the probable solution is second option, guys. Number of iterations would be logarithmic in the size of the starting value. Second option. That is second option, right? Next, eighth question, guys. Eighth one. For how many positive integers below 200 does the collage sequence not reach 1? For eighth question, the probable solution is 25. That is second option, guys. 25. Next, ninth one. So before getting into this ninth question, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So for the course, the joy of computing using Python, so you are going to get 250 for 250 rupees. You are going to get 125 MCQs, guys, for one person. If you are 2 to 5 persons combinedly take the pack, it will be just 500 rupees per the group, guys. If you are only one person, it is just 250 rupees only. You'll get that in a PDF access Google Drive link, guys. It's a restricted PDF link. So topic coverage will be high. Search option is also available, guys, and it is also easy to revise. So if you want to purchase, if you are confirmed to make payment, then only mail me, guys. So this is the mail ID. You have to mail me regarding telling that, requesting that which subject you want, which course you are taking up, and how many persons access you want, so that we can proceed further for the payment, guys. So I will tell you the payment procedure once you mail me to this email ID. Remember, guys, only if you want to purchase, then only mail me, guys, because many students are waiting in the order. So it will be completely based on first come first serve, guys. So respond immediately to the messages. So that's it, guys. So discuss with your friends and classmates and purchase this pack, guys. Already many students have taken our various PDF packs and got benefited in the previous years, guys. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. Ninth one, which of the following statements is true about the collage conjecture? So for ninth question, it should be third option, guys. It remains an open problem and its status is unknown. Third option. Next, moving on to the final question of this assessment, that is 10th one. This is assignment last question, guys. So this is the last question for this assessment and as well as the whole course, guys. So week 12 assignment. 10th question, find the number of sequences required for collage conjecture when applied to 5 to reach 1. So for 10th and final question of this assessment, the answer for 10th question is 5, guys. 5. So friends, these are the solutions for week 12 assignment of Joy of Computing using Python course. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and please definitely share that with your friends and classmates, guys. And don't forget to purchase this 125 MCQs PDF pack. So discuss this with your friends and classmates, guys. So that's it, guys, for this video. So hope this video helpful for you and our channel also helpful for you. If you feel the same, please definitely subscribe our channel forever, guys. So keep supporting us like this, and I wish each and everyone all the best for your final exams, guys. So don't get tensed in the exam. You may forget. There are chances of forgetting even the known concepts as well. So don't get tensed, guys. So think calmly. You can remember all the concepts that you have learned completely, truly. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you, and don't forget to take this PDF pack, guys.